Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Peaq network token. PEAQ is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. Now this token, it was just announced, is getting a bunch of brand new central exchanges starting tomorrow, November 12th. A whole bunch of different big central exchange listings has popped up for this token here. We're going to go over the information on this project and how you can get the token in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is getting a bunch of brand new central exchange listings. So it is being listed on Bitget November 12th. It is being listed on LBank. I saw Kucoin, XT, Bingx, CoinList. It's got here a hash key airdrop going on. If you just basically scroll through Twitter, if you put in PEAQ listing, tons of them will pop up. So it says Kucoin November 12th, 9 a.m. UTC time. Then we got CoinW, it is 9 a.m. UTC time. They're almost all the same time here. And then we have Mexc Global as well, all the same time, November 12th, 9 a.m. UTC time. So Peaq is a layer 1 blockchain designed to be the go-to backbone for the machine economy, known as DePIN. So this token here, if you're looking to get it, one way to get it would be Mexc Global. If you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section tomorrow when this token gets listed, search PEAQ, and then simply just buy the token. Now, you could find their Explorer at peaq.subscan.io. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find that. And besides that, at PEAQ on Twitter, that's real easy to find that. Their webpage, they also have a webpage link on here as well, which is at peaq.network. Real easy to find that. You go over there, you could find a Telegram, you could find a full white paper. Their Telegram is at Peaq Network, over 10,700 Telegram subscribers. So what is Peaq? Peaq is a layer 1 blockchain purposely built and optimized for DePINs, which are decentralized physical infrastructure networks, and machine RWAs, real-world assets, leveraging parallelized block production, asynchronous backing, and agile core time. The network is capable of scaling 10,000 transactions per second, TPS, and will be capable of scaling beyond 100,000 TPS post-upgrade, while maintaining a minimum transaction cost of approximately 0.00025 USD. Peaq leverages the most environmentally friendly blockchain architecture available and the largest Ethereum and second largest substrate developer ecosystems in Web3. So Peaq provides builders with EVM, Solidity, and WASM Rust smart contracts, offering builders flexibility and convenience. The network provides a wide array of ready-to-use modular DPIN functions that equip DPINs and dApps with essential core functionalities. These include self-sovereign machine IDs, role-based access control, data verification, seamless machine payment processing, data storage, data indexing, autonomous AI agents, and more. So the functions are available via the Peaq SDK in JavaScript, allowing developers to deploy them with around 15 lines of code. Peaq enables seamless interaction with Polkadot cross-chain machine IDs with Cosmos, Solana, and Binance, and bridges to Ethereum. Peaq is EVM compatible and is bridged to 30-plus blockchains via various established bridges. Peaq rewards machines and DPIN builders that connect, contribute, and generate transactions on the network, fostering a decentralized, positive-sum economy that works for the world. Now, they have their documentation you can find at docs.peaq.network. Over there, you can find a quick setup guide. So it tells you, all about the network configurations, the block explorers. Then there's the section where you can get test tokens, and they talk about funding your wallet with those, funding via Substrate. They have a network section, so they talk about the Peaq network, and then there's the AGUNG network, which is the testnet network. I was just talking about test tokens there. There's a whole learning section where you can learn the fundamentals, modular DPIN functions. There's the tokenomics, so it says there is a total supply at Genesis of 4,200,000,000 tokens. They have utility for the token is basically transaction fees, staking. So you could stake the tokens to get rewards. There's validators, there's governance, and so you can get involved with voting on proposals and decide which direction the project should go. There's a building section, and then there is a tooling and integration section, wallets, and node operators. And like I said, you can find all of it at docs.peaq.network. And you can find this token listed all over the place tomorrow, so check it out. Check out all the referral codes down there, especially that MEXC global one where this token will be listed. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about the Peaq network? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.